Welcome to Instructional Tech Tutorials. Today we're going to look at creating gradebook categories in Schoology. First, go to your gradebook setup, grade setup, select add, and we'll add our first gradebook category. Here you have two options under calculated by. You have total points and you have percent. If you plan on calculating by percent, it is very important that you only create assignments worth 100 points. No more, no less. This will cause gradebook errors that down the road as you try to sync with Skyward. So again, if you choose this option here, all assignments must be worth 100 points exactly. If you plan on giving assignments with fewer or more points assigned to it, select total points. I do not recommend using Schoology's drop lowest option personally. It can cause syncing issues down the road as well. If you do plan on dropping grades, I recommend doing it manually to prevent syncing issues down the road. And here we'll assign a weight. So let's say we want our homework grade to be worth 10% of the overall grade. Let's create another category here. Once you're done creating all of your categories and you've chosen the weight category option, make sure that all these add up to 100%. 50, 60, 70, 100. You may also choose the option of not weighing your categories. Click Save Changes when you're done. And that is how you create gradebook categories in Schoology.